Hey guys, I'm at Inform today and I'm gonna meet Radha Agarwal. She's a dietitianist and a nutritionist. She helps a lot of people to get their weight management and health management. So let's go meet her, guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to McFit Junkie. Today I'm here with Radha Agarwal. She's a dietitianist and a nutritionist. Radha, you have been into this for like 3-4 years. And I always tell my viewers that dieting or diet, your nutrition is very important. So first thing I want to know, like, how you got into this.
Me and my husband both were in running and cycling for over 10 years.
Okay.
So since then we were associated with nutrition. Slowly my passion became my profession.
Okay.
So last few years I'm in practicing as a dietitian.
So I heard that 80% is your diet and the rest is your workout which you do when you do any kind of a workout regime.
Yes.
So how we can prove that to our viewers? Because see, I have a lot of experience. I've tried and tested a lot of things on myself over the last 8 years of fitness. But to prove this to my viewers, I want someone like you who is a specialist in this. So how this 80% should be managed by our viewers?
Nutrition plays very important role.
Yeah.
दिन भर आपकी जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, स्पोर्ट्स है, ऑफिस है, फैमिली है, एवरीवेयर यू नीड एनर्जी. So the more clean and good food you eat, more energy you will get from less food. You don't have to eat less, you have to eat right.
Exactly.
So when we say कि you get 80% from nutrition, 20% is your workout. So it's a combination.
Exactly.
So like if you only work out and you are not having good nutrition, you will not get results. And at the same time, when you are having good nutrition, but to increase your metabolism, so you need good exercise also.
Exactly.
So when they work, both of them work in hand. So then it becomes more than 100%, and you get perfect results.
So to achieve good results, your diet and your workout has to go
Hand in
parallel.
hand. Yes.
Great. So Radha, the second thing I want to know, like अभी गर्मी आ गई, ठीक है, and it's been very hot in Mumbai, and especially towards north side it has gone up to 50 also.
Yes.
So ऐसे time पे what we should include in our diet to keep us good in a way that my diet is also getting completed and I'm also not feeling dehydrated due to my workouts.
Yeah, that's a good question. In summer season, we should always focus on water.
Yeah.
Water, for a sports person also, our muscle is 80% water.
Okay.
So we need more and more water to remain fit. To get water, we should focus on water-based fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, oranges, and to balance our body heat, we should include liquid things a lot like chas, nimbu pani, neera. We can use some sabza seeds on our daily diet, which maintains our body temperature. And the best available thing in Mumbai and around the areas is nariyal pani.
Yeah.
So you take 1 glass of nariyal pani and your most of the mineral requirement will be done.
So nariyal pani has a lot of minerals in that.
Yes.
So guys, you need to replace your colas with your nariyal pani to get
Yes.
hydrated.
Yes, no colas.
Because that contains a lot of sugar, that's going to affect you a lot. So Radha, when we hear about a nutritionist or a dietitian, people just have this mindset that अगर मैं किसी dietitian के पास जा रहा हूँ, I'm going to have a weight loss regime. But that's not the right way to look into it. That is what I feel. What are your thoughts and how you want to convey that to our viewers?
You're completely right. It's not about only losing weight. Here in Inform, we focus on health, nutrition and weight management. So it's a lifestyle change. It's a process. You cannot focus on weight loss. At the same time, when you see a thin person, it's not necessary that he is a fit person.
Exactly.
Being thin is not a sign of a good health.
Exactly.
So when I talk about nutrition, I talk about health. Weight maintenance should be byproduct of maintaining a good health. So you should look towards your health first. So whatever your goals are, like people come with diabetes, cardiovascular disease, blood pressure, everywhere they are suffering with heavy weight. So, and poor nutrition habits, like people just get up and go to office. So you should always start your day with some healthy fruit, or some dry fruit. So you should start your day with a healthy food item.
Exactly.
Which will kick your metabolism, because you have already fasting for the night.
Exactly.
So now you should start your day with some good food. So that will keep you healthy for the day, and it will give you good energy. So that way, small frequent meals are the key to keep yourself maintained.
Exactly. So guys, what Radha is concluding over here is that thin person cannot be a fit person. Okay. So when you think about a nutritionist or a dietitian, it's not just about the weight loss. It's about a complete lifestyle change which needs to happen. And just the weight loss, आपने जो target किया था अगर वो achieve कर लिया and you go back to your previous life, it's not gonna work out. बेटर है कि आप अपने लाइफ को चेंज करें, अपने स्टाइल को चेंज करें, द वे यू थिंक, द वे यू ईट. और चीट डेज आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल, एक आध दिन कर लो, बट मेक अ स्टाइल ऑफ लिविंग विच यू कैन चेंज. Alright, like I am an IT professional, and for me, fast food is very easily available for me. Like samosa ho gaya, burger, pizza, any kind of a thing which is easily available. I rather prefer that than going for a cooking at my home for an hour or 2 hours to break my meals and take them. तो मेरा एक mindset ऐसा है कि यार कौन कुक करेगा, let me just have a samosa, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है एक समोसे से. तो ये जो thought process काफ़ी लोगों का रहता है, it's wrong. So what do you want to say about that?
See, it's about choosing your priorities right. आप जब कैंटीन में जाएंगे, so why you always offer a vada pav or a samosa? You can ask them to make a fresh omelette for you.
Okay.
That is easily available. Instead of opting for a cola, you can ask them to give you a fresh chas, or nariyal pani is easily available. Few things you can carry with yourself, because you need to maintain your health, right? When you can carry a heavy laptop on your back, so then why not few things to eat? You can carry few nuts with you. Fruits are easily available, so you can carry few fruits with you. You can ask in canteen for freshly cut green salad. You don't need a very fancy salad. Just a fresh cucumber will do the trick.
Yeah, I think that.
So it's about choosing your priority, setting your things right.
So guys, you need to decide what kind of a diet you have. See, the things which just Radha said, like your cucumber or your salad or your omelette, they are easily available. It's just our priorities at that point of a time. Everyone is picking up a samosa, so you also go and pick it up a samosa. It's just you need to think a bit different. You need to look in a way that this is good for me and this is bad for me. Alright? So that is something which we need to decide for ourselves. Radha can guide you, I can help you, but at the end of the day, it's you who is finally gonna decide what I want to eat and how I want to look in my life. So guys, if you need any help in terms of your nutrition or your diet, you can connect with Radha. Radha is sitting in Thane. I'll share the clinic address and the numbers and other details in the description. You can connect over there, and you can comment on the video. We'll be replying over that also.